Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. Isn't it amazing? Amazing! Isn't it stunning? Stunning! Wow! If you're new to my channel, hello! Hello! Bitches! My name is Tad. Nice to meet you. So as you guys saw in the title of this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you my latest and my newest skincare acne update. I'm just sick and tired of dealing with acne, and I feel bad for people who's dealing with it. Like, I've just had enough. Like, enough. If you want to see the products that I have used to clear my face, then please keep on watching. But before watching this video, please do not forget to subscribe down below and hit the bell button so you get notified every time I do upload a new video. So I already created an acne skincare routine way back before. It was like last year, I think. And believe it or not, it is my highly viewed video. And since it's my highly viewed video, I also got bashed. I got bashed because I was acting too hype and I was super energetic. Sorry, not sorry, that's me, honey. If you're going to bash me, might as well create a YouTube channel and try to entertain me, and let's see how it goes. Don't mess with the Fire Nation if you're not ready to get burned, bitch. I'ma whoop your ass. Don't come for me, okay? Now, to inform you guys right away, I will be sharing 3 steps that I always do, and the products that I have used for me to help in clearing my skin. Some products might work for you and might work for me, and some products might not work for you but might work for me. So I'm not saying that this is the correct process, but I'm saying that this is what I did to achieve this skin. If you don't feel like I did it in the right way, don't come for me. It's my way, not your way. Please, just leave this video. Don't bash me. I don't deserve that, okay? I don't deserve that. I'ma whoop your ass. Now, the first product that I find very effective in clearing my skin is the PHisohex. I don't know how to say it. PHisohex? PHisohex face wash for cleaner skin and pimples. Just a normal Saturday, I was struggling. This retails for $10 and it's really promising, as it says that face wash for cleaner skin and fewer pimples, and it also contains 1% triclosan, which is like really effective for clearing your skin and removing dead cells or bacteria, which is also known as pimple or acne. Now, I was struggling with acne during that time and I decided to give this a try. This actually changed my skincare routine forever. So it actually has a consistency of a very lotiony foam. This one is actually a face wash that I normally use 3 times a day. I normally use this one waking up in the morning. I also use this one before going to work or after school. I find it very useful too, because you know all the bacteria that I have when I was in school. Before using this product, it is written on the instructions at the back that you should wash your hands first with this product too. What I normally do is I wash my hands first before touching my face. So after I wash my hands with this one, that's the time I would wash my face with this one. And just gently scrub it. Just let your skin absorb the product and then wait for it to get foamy before rinsing it. Now, if you're new with this one or you're just a first timer using this one, it will actually dry up your face for a day or 2 days, depends on your skin type. But I find it very useful at the end of the day because there is no oil. Now, of course, use this product moderately. It doesn't mean that when I use it 3 times a day, you're also going to use it 3 times a day. It actually depends on your skin, and if you have extra budget, please get this one, as I find it really helpful, and I can literally see the difference after 3 days. So, and of course, if you find your face like super dry with using that one, then please use a moisturizer. What I normally use is a Cetaphil moisturizing lotion that is good for face and body. So a subscriber told me that it is not good for the face. Can you read, sis? So after the face wash, toner is a must. For toner, I actually use two products, and one of it is the Pixi Glow Tonic with 5% glycolic acid, which is, we all know, really good for acne and pimples. I got the smaller one to find out, or just to test it out if it's good or not, because I'm scared that I might waste my money again and it won't do anything on my skin. But this one is actually my all-time favorite. This is, I think, one of the best toners in my 17th year of existence, as it helped me clear out my skin, like clear. You can also see the difference right after using this one. If there's one thing that I just don't understand with this one, I just don't get, or I don't really see where's the glow after using this product. But aside from that, this is the best toner, and like I would recommend this to everyone, as it really helped my skin. Like, super guys, I have tried like almost every toner out there in the market, but this Glow Tonic changed my life and my skincare game. So if you do have extra budget, I would highly recommend to get this one. Now, the next toner that I have been loving so far is the Eskinol Classic White. The main goal of this toner is to lighten up your skin, especially to your face. I find it really helpful, as it helped me lighten my pimple or acne marks, which is like super hard for me to remove, guys. Sometimes my clear is very smooth, but the stain, mancha. But the mark, sometimes it's really hard to remove, and this one does its job, which is to whiten or to lighten up the marks somehow. So I find this one really helpful too. Now, if you guys have watched my last video, which was previous month, I don't know, I have told you guys that I'm so obsessed with this Benzac AC 10%. It is very effective and very useful. Like, it actually also changed my skincare routine before. But then for today, like since last month, I have been obsessed with the AZ Clear Action Azelaic acid 20%. This is what I always use every night before going to bed. After washing my face, after using my toner, I always use this one. Use it moderately as well, as it could actually dry up your face too. Now, if you can't get your hands of this product, you can still use the Medicated. Now, if you can't get your hands on this product, I would still and highly recommend the Medicated 2-in-1 Skin Repair. I would show you guys a picture over here. I have tried that one, and if I were to choose one product out of all the products that I'm using as of the moment, I would choose that one, as it's, I don't know how to explain it, but it will kill all the bacteria in your pimple. Like, let's say you have a pimple tonight, and when you apply that on your pimple, the next day it's gone. Like, it's not totally gone, of course, but it's like, it's just a mark. Do you get what I mean? That's how effective that product for me is, and I would highly recommend that to everyone, as my auntie told me it is very effective for her skin too. So I find it really useful. If you can get your hands on that product, I would choose that over any products at the counters or in the market. That shit is amazing. Now, going back with these two products over here, this product may work, but it is not powerful as this one. So if I were to choose between two of this product, I would still choose this one over this one. But in case you don't have this one, or you can't get your hands off this one, you can still get this one, as they both work the same, but I find this one much effective than this one. So it's totally up to your skin, guys. Now, aside from those skincare products that I always use, I always make it a habit to treat my skin to using face mask, Korean face mask. They does the job. They always do the job. Very helpful. Boom. Now, the next product that I'm using is the Belo Acne Pro Pimple Gel. Now, this gel is actually a water-based gel, if I'm not mistaken. I can't see that it's super powerful, but it did actually help me in clearing my skin too. I don't usually use this every day, but I use it every other night. You get what I mean? Because I have been using a lot of products and I don't want to suffocate my skin, so I only use this one every other night. That shit is amazing. I would also say this one straight away, that all the products that I have been using has a tingling feeling after using it, and with that, I do like that feeling because I do know that the product is working for me. But not every tingling sensation can lead you to having a clear skin or a smooth skin, because sometimes, guys, if it's tingling too much, it might hurt your skin, so I recommend you to stop it. But all the products that I have mentioned today has a tingling sensation, and if you're not a fan of that, then please don't try the products that I have showed you. But if you're a fan of tingling, I mean in a good way, because you do know that those products will help you, then I recommend you guys to try all the products that I have showed you today. Based on my experience, and I'm still struggling with acne, guys, sometimes it's not all about the skin anymore. It also depends on our lifestyle and things that we eat. You get what I mean? It also affects us, because sometimes if you eat too much oily food, then it can cause acne. Another one that I found out is it can be hormonal too. So it may not be on your skin, it may not be on the things that you eat, it might be on your hormones. You get what I mean? Damn, I'm becoming a doctor here. These products won't clear or help you get rid of your acne in just a night. For me, I saw the difference after using those products for 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Those products won't help you totally remove all of your acne and pimple marks in just 1 night or 2 nights. It takes time, you guys, so patience is the key. Lock, key. Patience, acne. Also, if you haven't watched my acne skincare routine that I uploaded last year, I will leave the links down in the description box, or I'll put it in the I button. Is it here or here? I don't know, girl, about you, but I'm feeling 22. That is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you did enjoy this kind of video. Please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and always remember to put your blackness to the next level. See you guys in my next video. Bye! Ting 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 ting. Lapit, lapit, huwag kang lumapit, layo, layo, tayo'y malabo.